Everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another human hair headband wig. Now, a company by the name of NIAWIGS reached out to me, asked me to pick out one of their newest headband wigs, and also asked me to pick out a pack of their headbands so I could review the wig and also show you guys how the headbands look on the wig. So if you are interested in seeing how this wig from NIAWIGS look and seeing how the headbands look with the wig, then keep watching. So I'm going to get into details about the wig, and of course I'm going to show you guys how the wig looks and show you guys each headband how it looks on the wig. Now here is the packaging. On the front it says NIAWIGS, and on the back it says we live only to discover beauty, all else is a form of waiting. So the packaging is really cute. It's purple and gold polka dots on the side. And then here is how the other part of the box looks. And on the back, it says Discover Beauty. So I literally just got this wig today. Normally, I wash my wigs before. Since I was already in the process of filming other videos and got this wig, I decided let me go ahead and knock this out of the way. So the wig that I got is the Headband Wig Human Hair 3A Kinky Curly. This one is in the shade 1B33. I got it in 8 inches. I wasn't too sure how it would look in 10 or 12 inches, but honestly, I should have gotten it a little bit longer. But here's how the wig looks. Again, it is 1B30, so it's brown. It's actually the color of my hair right now. So I'm gonna show you guys the construction of the wig. So the wig has 4 combs. 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the front, and 1 comb in the back. Of course, you have your adjustable strap, and then you have the black scarf with the Velcro in the back so you can, fasten it. I'm gonna go ahead and fix the adjustable straps and go ahead and put it on for you guys. I did leave some baby hair right here, of course. So this is how the wig looks. I'm actually gonna comb it out a little bit because the curls are pretty, but I'm just a real Afro type. So I combed it out a little bit. So I already opened these. These are the headbands. They sent me 4 of them. So this is the pattern that I chose because I'm into animal print as of lately. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how each headband looks with this wig, and then I'm gonna let you guys know any more details about this wig and the company. Of course, if I leave anything out, I will put it in the description box for you guys. Ryan Little. So I showed you guys all the headbands with this wig. Very cute. The 3rd headband wasn't as stretchy as the other ones were, but that is okay. Now again, this wig is a 3A Kinky Curly, and I did comb it out just a little bit, but this is how it's looking, and it is human hair. so it can be wet and all that stuff. So this wig is $139, so it is up there. But if you are interested in trying this wig out and you will have no problem spending that type of money, then go ahead. But again, it is $139. They have it in 8-inch, which I have. They have 10-inch and they have 12-inch as well. Then they give you 5 different packs of headbands to choose from, so that's good as well. So the hair material is Remy hair. The hair density is 150%. There's no lace. Again, it is a 3A Afro Kinky Curly. The color is 1B/33. The cap color is black. Of course, it has elastic band and clips, and the cap size is average. Now, it really didn't take too long for them to deliver the wig to me. I think it was about maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks, so not that bad at all. But yeah, this is definitely cute. It really gives a real natural kind of feel to it because it looks super natural. You would think this is my hair, like for real, for real. I really want to thank NIAWIGS for reaching out to me, asking me to review one of their wigs because this is cute. I'm definitely gonna get some wear out of this when I don't have another protective style in, but it's definitely cute. I really do like it. The whole headband wig trend is definitely something that you guys should hop on if you have not. It's really convenient, especially for the lazy girls and all that. So I highly recommend you guys to try out these headband wigs. But that is pretty much it for this video. You guys let me know down below which headband you liked. Let me know what you think about this wig, the texture, the color, all of that stuff. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below. Also, do not forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.